Hello and welcome to my channel, and thank you for joining me as we continue to celebrate Black History Month. This DIY is going to feature Afrofuturism, or a little bit of the past and present, as I focus on Miss Cicely Tyson for this video. But these are some images of Afrofuturism that were my inspiration. For this project, I got a 12-inch by 12-inch wooden frame, and I think I got this at Joann's, and it was like the last one left, which is why it's looking kind of crusty, and I couldn't remove whatever this was from the inside of the frame. But I'm using this frame. I'm also found this picture of Cicely Tyson in Essence magazine, and I thought it was really cool, and I wanted to honor her life and cultural contribution to our culture, as well as paper, African print paper. But if you're having a hard time finding this, you can use any graphic or designer paper. Most of the big box craft stores usually have loose paper in their area that you can get a single piece of paper. And also this gold shiny paper. I noticed a lot of images of Afrofuturism. There's usually like a golden halo or some type of halo in back, so I wanted to use that for this, as well as a lot of like metallics and gold. So as you can see, my first step was spray painting the wooden frame a matte black, and I've cut out the image of Cicely Tyson. And now I'm just taking a bowl that I had in my she shed and using that as a template to create a circle that I'm going to use as the halo for the back of the in the back of the Cicely Tyson image. Afrofuturism is a cultural aesthetic and philosophy of science fiction and history that explores developing the intersections of the African diaspora, and it really focuses well on the future and technology. And this project, I think my attempt to focus on the Afrofuturism aesthetic. If you're a person who really loves collages, this would probably be an ideal project for you. As I was looking at a lot of the Afrofuturism images, I noticed they had a lot of like flying saucers in there, and also birds, which I believe are ravens. I'm not sure what the true significance is of that in Afrofuturism art, but I know in a lot of other art, ravens usually are seen as messengers. And so I don't know if that is the same correlation with an Afrofuturism, but I wanted to incorporate a raven as well as a flying saucer in my DIY Afrofuturism art. Overall, I think the making of this art piece was very simple, but one thing I will say that I kind of had a little hiccup with when creating this, I should have used a glue stick when gluing the image of Cicely Tyson to the golden circle, or at least taking the time to use maybe like a brush and brushing down the glue, because using the glue as is kind of created bumps in the back of the image. You can't see it too well, so it's not too bad, but if you're going to go ahead and do like this collage type of artwork, and using images from magazines, please use a glue stick. Miss Cicely Louise Tyson was an American actress whose career expanded more than 7 decades. She became well known for portraying strong African American women characters in leading roles. She was born in Harlem, New York in December 1924, and she just recently passed away last year on January 28th, 2001. She just released a book that I do recommend called Just As I Am. And some of the movies that she has been known for are Sounder, um, the autobiography of Miss Jane Pittman. And she also played recently before her passing, How to Get Away with Murder. She was in there as well. So I wanted to honor one of our leaders in our community and well her activism. And she was also nominated and won several awards, including NAACP Image Awards for her work. She has a wide range of Black excellence in her work. Her and, of course, recently Mr. Sidney Poitier, who also passed away as well. But I just want to take the time to honor some of our elders who contributed greatly to strong portrayals of Black excellence in film. Because a lot of the images of Afrofuturism I've seen both in person and online, the ones that aren't totally graphic, they look like they're made with a lot of found materials. So I've used some mirrors, a little circle mirror that I'm using to cover her, the glass part of her eye. Also using some leftover rhinestones and rhinestone stickers to kind of embellish the art piece. I'd like to thank you all for taking the time to watch my video. If you haven't already and you're new, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoy this type of content, it's the motivation I need to keep on crafting. And I hope this inspired you to create something beautiful for Black History Month. And I will see you guys all next week.